Strand. Welcome back to another video. So I'm super excited because today we are going to be trying to create a Halloween look. I can't tell y'all the last time I've created a Halloween look, like actually planned out Halloween look. It's not until the day of Halloween when I see everybody's costumes and all of these people killing it on the internet where I'm like, damn, I wish I would have tried to participate. So this year we're going to make sure we make that happen. So today I'm going to be creating a poison ivy look, so a curly poison ivy look. But yeah, I'm super excited about it. I hope it comes together nicely. I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me as I, you know what I'm saying, put this look together. So let's get into it. Today's wash and go. I'm only gonna be using 2 products. I'm dripping wet, as you guys can see. Typically, like these days, whenever I'm doing my wash and goes, I at least apply the leave-in over the sink. So let me hurry up and get this leave-in in. So I'll be using my favorite leave-in conditioner from Curlsmith, which is their multitasking conditioner. You can use this as a deep conditioner, rinse-out conditioner, or as a leave-in. And my preferred way of using it is as a leave-in. Wait, I lied. I have one that's already open. Yeah, you guys have seen me use this leave-in quite a few times now. I love how lightweight it is while still being really hydrating and moisturizing. My hair just soaks the stuff up and it doesn't weigh my hair down or anything like that, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna just apply this leave-in all over my head, and then I'm gonna go in with the Curlsmith makeup, hair makeup. So looks like I have finished applying the leave-in conditioner. Now to the fun part. So I know Poison Ivy's hair is red. However, Curlsmith has a bunch of different hair makeup. So you guys haven't seen their collection. They have red, copper, rose gold, turquoise, and they have gold. So I was thinking about possibly mixing the ruby and the copper, but obviously more ruby than copper. So I've already done this mixture before. It was definitely more on the copper side. This time I want to do primarily red, mix a little copper in there just so it's not just red, because I don't know, I can't see myself with just like straight up red hair. I'm not sure how that's gonna look on me. So I guess I'll just go in with the red first and then see how it looks and determine how much copper I need, if I even need any copper. Because I was looking online and I've seen poison ivy with I've seen like a ginger-ish poison ivy. So, and either way, this is a makeshift poison ivy. This is my version of it. So let's get into it. Also, so the difference between now and the first time I did this color combo, I actually mixed Curlsmith's hair makeup with other products. So the last time I used their hair makeup, I used it with their in shower style fixer. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I mixed it with that. And then the previous time I didn't even have any other Curlsmith products, so I mixed it with another brand's product. So this time we are just doing the leave-in and the gel, because from the few times that I have used their hair makeup, I feel like it really clumps my curls. So curious to see how it'll work by itself. All right, I'm gonna start off with the red, or ruby, sorry, the ruby hair makeup. I'm gonna start off with about this much for now. Okay, actually, let me separate my... Y'all see the definition and the clumping trying to come through. Yes, ma'am. I mean, maybe I can get away with the red by itself. What y'all think? I might be able to. Alright, I'm gonna go look in the mirror real quick and I'll be back. But just so you guys can see how nicely this stuff clumps my hair, you really don't need to pair this with any other stylers. Additional stylers are definitely optional. All right, you guys, so I'm finished. I decided that I'm not gonna add copper just because I know there's no such thing as just adding a dab for me. I'm definitely gonna go ham with the copper and then just completely change the color of this. So I'm actually feeling the shade of red. Like I was telling you guys before, it's not too like bright, not even bright, because it's a very vibrant color. It's just not, you know what I'm saying, it kind of almost looks like a natural-ish red, kind of sort of, you know. So for today's wash and go, I'm aiming for like a super elongated voluminous wash and go. That's the goal. So I will get back to you guys once my hair is fully dry before I stretch it. And then once I've stretched it, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe my hands off, wipe some of the stuff off my face and anywhere else I may have got the makeup. So really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys how easily this stuff rinses off of my hands. It doesn't stain it. Literally all you need is water and to kind of just like scrub your hands together. I feel like hair makeup is literally the best name they could have used for this product because it's just like makeup, except all you need is water to rinse it off. It won't stain your clothes or your hands. So as you guys know, I have really long acrylic nails and it's kind of hard to reach in the crevices and stuff to like scrub it off. So I like to use a brush to get it out. But like I said, literally just water and the brush to get under your nails if you have longer nails. But yeah, just like that, y'all. It rinses right off. And then of course I had a couple speckles of makeup in the sink, so I just used a napkin to wipe that off, and that was literally it. Now to get into this makeshift costume. So I pretty much just got some, I guess you could say, branches or vines of ivy from Michael's, pulled the leaves off of the branch. That's what you guys are seeing on the floor here. I got an old swimsuit I had from Forever 21 that I didn't really care for, so not a fan of the color, but I really like the design of the swimsuit. So I had my friend Nayla use hot glue to place the leaves on the swimsuit because I am challenged when it comes to anything related to arts and craft. So she did that for me, which was a little time consuming, but so worth it. And this is the finished look of that. We also added some like green glitter to it to, you know, give it a little razzle dazzle, but super cute. Then the last thing I was able to do on my own was basically just make the crown, and you guys, it's pretty self-explanatory what I did. Just added the leaves to this little twig or branch that I had, and yeah, that was pretty much it. Alright you guys, so I want to hurry up and stretch my hair. I just wanted to come in and show you what my hair is looking like now that it's about, I would say like 95% dry. My hair actually dried a lot faster than it normally does for my wash and goes. I sat into the dryer for about, I wouldn't even say for a whole hour. And my hair is pretty much 95% dry. So I'm going to go ahead and finish drying whatever's left and then go ahead and stretch it out and then show you guys the finished look. You guys, oh my goodness, I am obsessed. Like, I'm so bummed that I'm not going to a Halloween party right now, that I'm not going to a costume party, because like, look at this. Come on, Poison Ivy who? My hair looks amazing. Like amazing. Do you guys see the elongation? How stretched and elongated my curls are, yet so defined. The vibrancy, like what? I am speechless. Once again, yet again, I am speechless. Like, this look came together so nicely, guys. Considering I didn't do makeup for this look, I feel like most people that dress up as Poison Ivy, you know what I'm saying, their faces are beat, but unfortunately I can't do that. I don't know how to do my own makeup, y'all. But despite that, I think I did a pretty good job at putting it all together. I got these beads from Amazon. Of course, you guys already know details on the hair. I just can't believe I didn't try the hair makeup by itself sooner. Just 2 products for this hair, y'all. Just 2. So I just went and washed my hands. Literally, all you guys need is water to wash your hands off. I've been playing with my hair a lot, so I had some residue left on my hands. But overall, ow! Freak! I just ran over my toe, y'all. Yeah, didn't hear that. What I was trying to say was, so yeah, it doesn't transfer, like as you can see, Like, it doesn't transfer off of just, you know what I mean, like brushing on your shoulders and stuff like that. When I stretched my hair, of course, there was some like flakes on the counter, which is expected because the makeup is kind of just like wearing off because I'm kind of like blow drying the product off of my hair. But as far as like just touching my hair, for example, so once your hair is fully dried and you're not manipulating it too much, you shouldn't have any issues with transferring. But you guys, I am just obsessed. Let me get up so you guys can see a little 360 kind of, sort of. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed putting it together and my results. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you on my next video.